Hello guy and welcome back to Mr. P channel on YouTube. Today I'm going to solve a problem that currently existed on uh, father father iPhone. This is the iPhone 5, and the problem is that I have taken this phone. It's been having an error almost 2 or 3 weeks already, and I already have this phone get it to a repair shop at the first place. And what I get after a week, the response is that they said this phone could not be fixed just because of some hardware issue related to the uh, hard drive of the phone that unable to restore or even back up or even update the phone. So I think that if they could not solve the problem, then I think I should take it back and then resolve it by myself. So it keep loading up the Apple logo, but without getting to the user interface, it keep loading up the logo. So now I have decided to open up my iTunes on my Mac, and here's the phone that I have put it into the DFU mode to restore the actual iOS version into the phone, and let's see whether it's gonna work or not. So now I have the USB cable plugged in to the phone and also have it plugged into my MacBook Pro. And now you can see that here is the progressing of the iPhone software update. Let's start to downloading the requirement IPWS IP IPWS file update for the phone. So we are going to get back after this download process done, and let's get started solve the issue on the phone together. So we're gonna wait for the download to be finished. Hello guys. So now after we finish downloading the software update, so let's begin the I mean let's start our restoring process. So this is the iPhone. Just because we are having a problem on download, so we have to spend a lot of time to download, and the phone actually did reboot. So now I gonna boot this phone up again with the the DFU mode. Okay. Okay, the DFU mode is on now. So say there's a problem with the iPhone that required to be updated and restored. So let's say restore and update. Okay, now it started to extract the software. Let's say later. I mean tomorrow. So let's allow it to extract the software to be updated on the phone. So if there any other issue happen, we will notice, and also we will find a solution together. I believe that this iPhone can be fixed, and if it could not, if it if it can be fixed, then there is no other way to fix it unless you rip the phone apart and fix the hardware issue. Okay, the extracting process has been finished, so now it starts to prepare for the restoring process. So now verifying iPhone restore is begin. So when it's finished verifying, it will continue set up the phone and it continue to install the update on the phone. This is what it actually looked like on the phone, and as I said that I believe the phone can be fixed just because it have a software update more. It's likely to have a software problem more than a hardware problem. So now the process is begin. You can see the black dot begin to move. So we're gonna keep the phone away and we're gonna see the update install, and we will keep and continue check on the phone to see is there any issue gonna occur. Okay, so it has been restored, but the phone in here is actually displaying the a moment ago it's only appeared the Apple logo loading up on the Apple logo, but now it keep moving, so we still believe that this could be a software bug or software issue, and we're gonna keep looking for the problem, and if there is nothing happening at all, then this is clearly a software update problem. So this is the actual physical image of the phone right now that it is trying to update, and the bar keep moving. So it's already finished, so let me hold this for you. Oh, it's working pretty fine. So I gonna do the manual setup on the phone. No, I mean I'm gonna do the manual setup on the iTunes instead of on the phone. So let's click on continue. Continue. Okay. Get start. Wait, is it done already? Gonna keep singing the phone. Okay, let's done this. Okay, so I'm not sure manual setup on the iTunes is a good idea, so I'm gonna change from manual setup on the iTunes to the phone instead. Okay, let's set up on the phone. No SIM card installed, so we're gonna ignore that. I'm gonna click English. Let's say United States or anywhere, I don't care, just have the phone get into the front home pages is what we are aim to do. Okay, adventure 1, join. Enable location services passcode option, don't add it. Passcode option, don't add. Continue. Okay. Is that actually really necessary to install? Okay, so I am going to install the Apple ID into this phone. So let me type in. Okay, let me type it first. Okay, now it's verifying. Okay, so here you can see that the iCloud verify the security checkup on the phone. So I'm gonna say allow, and I'm gonna type in the confirming code, verification code 762 762 742. And say done. So say this may take a few minutes. Then say agree. May take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. So we're gonna wait. I'm sure this is gonna be solved. This problem is actually solved right now, I think. I don't know what actually is the problem with the repair shop that keep denied that the phone could not be updated and said it is actually a hardware issue instead. So I try to find so many reasons how they actually make this thing up. This is so frustrated. So let's click continue. Don't share. Get start. Oh my god. Everything is coming back, guy. Everything is coming back. The phone is actually working fine. You don't need to change any hardware out. This actually not a hardware issue, and it is definitely is a software issue. The phone did restart or load up just because you're doing any wrong configuration or messing up with the with the software. But now we have the phone back just because we have reboot and restore the phone to the original software update and it latest update. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm also gonna send this message to the repair shop that without you I still can live, and without you the phone still can be fixed. And also to remind you that your solution, your resolving issue, your idea of resolving issue is actually look bad just because you could not fix this minor issue, and that really make you look bad. And also you're not having enough responsibility, and also you don't have enough responsibility to express to the customer. So this is the message that I'm gonna send to you, and look, the phone, it working fine, no hardware issue, only software issue only, and the phone did reboot and restore using the DFU mode that I regularly do or perform when my phone got a software issue. So thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button down there to get the latest update and solving issue video in the next coming future. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.